Ever tried to figure out how to magically pull cash directly from your Apple Pay and ended up scratching your head? Let's get this cleared up. The first thing to understand is that Apple Pay isn't actually a bank account holding your money. Think of it more like a digital wallet that securely holds your credit and debit card information. When you use Apple Pay, you're really using the card that's linked to it, so that money isn't sitting inside Apple Pay itself. It's still in your bank account associated with that card. If you want to withdraw cash, you need to use the physical debit or credit card that you've linked to Apple Pay at an ATM. Just insert your card like you normally would and follow the prompts to withdraw your money. Another way to access your money is by transferring it from your bank account to another account. Open your banking app, find the transfer funds option, and move the money wherever you need it. So, there you have it. Apple Pay simplifies payments. But remember, it works through your existing cards. You can't directly withdraw from Apple Pay, but now you know how to get to your money using your linked card or bank account. Thanks for watching.